Text-to-speech is a speech service feature in Azure Cognitive Services that enables your applications to speak naturally. With the Custom Neural Voice feature, you can create a one-of-a-kind digital voice for your brand and differentiate your voice agent as unique as your business. A recognizable digital voice helps your customers connect with your brand in new ways. Traditionally, TTS requires a large volume of voice data, in the range of 10,000 lines or more, to produce a fluent voice model. With fewer recorded lines, a TTS voice model will tend to sound noticeably more robotic. Now, with the innovation of deep neural networks and a powerful base model built with speech data from many different speakers, Neural TTS can learn the way that phonetics are combined in natural human speech, rather than using classical programming or statistical methods. Empowered with this technology, Custom Neural Voice enables you to build highly realistic voices with just a small number of training audios. This new technology enables you to spend a tenth of the effort traditionally needed to prepare training data, while at the same time significantly increasing the naturalness of the synthetic speech output when compared to traditional training methods.
Custom Neural Voice is a feature of speech in Azure Cognitive Services, available in the Speech Studio. To get started with Custom Neural Voice, you need to submit a form to apply for access. Go to aka.ms/customneural. Read the requirements carefully and provide answers with sufficient detail that entails how you will use the service. Microsoft requires every customer to obtain explicit written permission from the voice talent before creating a voice model. In addition, you must not use Custom Neural Voice for certain prohibited use cases and must disclose the synthetic nature of the service to your users upon deployment of the custom voice model. When preparing the training data, make sure you include a sentence defined by Microsoft to acquire the voice talent's agreement for the use of his or her voice data to create a TTS voice model and generate synthetic speech. To create a custom neural voice, go to the Speech Studio portal. Log in with your Azure account. Create a custom voice project with the right language specified for the voice you want to build. Go to the project page, click Voice Talent, and create a profile for your voice. Select the use scenario you would like the voice to be used for, and upload the voice talent's verbal statement audio. In the Data tab, upload your training data. A minimum of 300 lines of recordings or utterances are required to be prepared as training data for Custom Neural Voice. We recommend 2,000 utterances if your goal is to create a voice for production use. If you do not have the transcripts of the audio recordings, or if your recordings are not segmented into individual sentences, you can use the long audio and audio only feature to have them automatically processed. Review your training data and make sure the pronunciation accuracy of your speech data is good and signal-noise ratio is acceptable. The quality of your voice model trained heavily depends on the recorded voice used for training. Consistent volume, speaking rate, speaking pitch, and consistency in expressive mannerisms of speech is essential to create a great custom neural voice. We recommend that the audio recordings should be captured in a professional quality recording studio so that higher signal-to-noise ratio is achieved. Once you are satisfied with the training data, you can submit the data for model creation. Select the datasets you want to use for training and associate them to the right voice talent profile you have created. If the voice talent verbal statement doesn't match the voice in the training data, your training request will not be processed. When the model is successfully trained, review the quality with the test audio samples.
We are the best of friends, dear. Sure, what should the email say?
Deploy the model to get a unique ID for your speech synthesis API endpoint. You can then integrate this voice model into your apps with the Text-to-Speech SDK, or use it in the audio content creation tool without writing a single line of code. Make sure you use your voice model responsibly for the use cases approved.
Interested in creating a unique digital voice for your business? Get started now.